Oh shit, wow.
Somebody should install a rope here.
Yeah, I don't know where to go from here. Hey guys, I have a great adventure planned for today. I'm headed out to Belmont. That's a community just outside of Truro. There's a waterfall out there called the Sam Higgins Falls. I'm going to check it out. It's rumored to have a slot canyon just above it. So let's go check it out. Okay, so we just came down a dirt road, just a side logging road up in Belmont Mountain. We eventually came to the point where there's a build-up. Somebody has a mound of rocks, so you can't drive any further. We pulled over to the side, and there's a little stream right there. There should be a little spur trail just up here a little ways, and then we'll be able to hike down through the woods down to the falls. So let's check it out. So we've been walking for 20 minutes, half an hour, something like that, since we left the main logging road on the ATV path. It does get pretty swampy in spots, but there's areas in the woods that isn't too hard to walk around. So now we're just gonna follow the river up to the falls. All right, so I made it down to the falls. The cliffs and everything surrounding the falls look just amazing. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take my GoPro, I'm gonna strap it to my head and then try to hike up into the little slot canyon that's supposed to be behind there. And I'm gonna get some drone footage, so just one sec. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend following me, Joel. It's pretty sketchy. Huh. that's going to do it for the Sam Higgins Falls. It's a beautiful spot. The falls are actually really cool. They split off and go through that little canyon. I did climb up and over, as you saw, to try to get into the canyon, but it's very dangerous and it was very sketchy, so definitely don't recommend that unless you really know what you're doing. But either way, that's going to end this one. I really thank you for sticking along to the end. I appreciate that. And if you can, visit me at facebook.com/New Scotland or subscribe to my Facebook channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next time.